Dot. Idioms, phrases, bad patches. English meaning, professional difficulties. Hindi meaning, पेशेवर कठिनाइयाँ. Idioms, phrases, stake on thin ice. English meaning, to take risk deliberately. Hindi meaning, जानबूझकर जोखिम उठाना. Idioms, phrases, shades of grey. English meaning, not clear if right or wrong. Hindi meaning, सही है या गलत स्पष्ट नहीं है. Idioms, phrases, line in the sand. English meaning, a limit or boundary on something. Hindi meaning, किसी चीज की सीमा या सीमा. Idioms, phrases, stiff upper lip. English meaning, to be brave in difficult time. Hindi meaning, कठिन समय में बहादुर बनने के लिए. Idioms, phrases, keep your nose clean. English meaning, to stay away from unnecessary fights. Hindi meaning, व्यर्थ के झगड़ों से दूर रहने के लिए. Idioms, phrases, walk on the eggshell. English meaning, to take action not to offend anyone, work with great attention or care. Hindi meaning, कार्रवाई करने के लिए किसी को नाराज नहीं करना, बहुत ध्यान या देखभाल के साथ काम करना. Idioms, phrases, bun in the oven. English meaning, to be pregnant or to be expecting a baby. Hindi meaning, गर्भवती होना या बच्चे की उम्मीद करना. Idioms, phrases, whoop it up. English meaning, enjoy in a noisy way, usually in a group. Hindi meaning, आमतौर पर एक समूह में शोरगुल वाले तरीके से आनंद लें. Idioms, phrases, with a vengeance. English meaning, used to emphasize the degree to which something occurs. Hindi meaning, कुछ होने की डिग्री पर जोर देने के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है. Idioms, phrases, reap the whirlwind. English meaning, to suffer the negative consequences of one's action. Hindi meaning, किसी की कार्रवाई के नकारात्मक परिणाम भुगतने के लिए. Idioms, phrases, of the first water. English meaning, of the best quality. Hindi meaning, सर्वोत्तम गुणवत्ता का. Idioms, phrases, weather the storm. English meaning, survive in a difficult situation or period without being seriously harmed by it. Hindi meaning, किसी कठिन परिस्थिति या अवधि में इससे गंभीर रूप से नुकसान पहुंचाए बिना जीवित रहना. Idioms, phrases, wear the green willow. English meaning, grief or unrequited love. Hindi meaning, दुख या बिना प्यार के. Idioms, phrases, wild and woolly. English meaning, uncouth in appearance or behavior. Hindi meaning, दिखने या व्यवहार में भद्दा. Idioms, phrases, give it a whirl. English meaning, to try out something. Hindi meaning, कुछ कोशिश करने के लिए. Idioms, phrases, as hard as nails. English meaning, unrelenting, having or exhibiting uncompromising determination. Hindi meaning, अविश्वसनीय, असंबद्ध, दृढ़ संकल्प होना या प्रदर्शित करना. Idioms, phrases, at loose ends. English meaning, in an uncertain situation. Hindi meaning, अनिश्चित स्थिति में. Idioms, phrases, take up the hatchet. English meaning, prepare for or go to war. Hindi meaning, युद्ध के लिए तैयार होना या जाना. Idioms, phrases, batten down the hatches. English meaning, prepare for a challenging or difficult situation. Hindi meaning, एक चुनौतीपूर्ण या कठिन स्थिति के लिए तैयार करें. Idioms, phrases, over egg the pudding. English meaning, add unnecessary details to make something seem better or worse. Hindi meaning, किसी चीज को बेहतर या खराब दिखाने के लिए उसमें अनावश्यक विवरण जोड़ें.